Hello students, in today's video I will be explaining about interpreting visuals. Introduction. Use of visuals is another method of communication which is an integral part of all communication. This type of communication is particularly relevant for all the students of technical subjects. These visuals are in the form of tables, charts, graphs, maps, pictures, etc. It is rightly said that a picture has worth more than 1,000 words. Through words alone, we are not in a position to put across the required information adequately. We take the help of visuals. The use of tables, graphs and charts in technical writing is very much important and unquestionable. Now, I will be explaining about 3 different visuals with their essentials good points. Number 1. Tables. Tables are very often used in technical writing. Usually, their function is to enable us to compare between 2 or more quantities or information. Generally, table consists of rows and columns where we used to present numerical or statistical data. But we can also use it to present other kinds of information. Some of the essentials of good tables are: number 1. Draw required number of rows and columns, write heading of each columns. Next, learn to abbreviate. Headings should be correct so that they fit into the columns and at the same time are understood by the reader. Next, table should be drawn at the center between left and right margins so that the table appears neat and clean. Next, the information in the table must be limited and precise. Next, every table should have a clear and brief title. It should describe the contents of the table. Next, a table should be complete in itself and self-explanatory. Now here you can see that a table is drawn, and in the same way we have to draw the table with full of information and data. The next one is graphs. Graphs consist of a diagram showing the relation between variable quantities, typically 2 variables, each measured along one of a pair of axes at right angles. Essentials of good graphs. Graphs are done on graph paper or computer. It should have good scaling so that it could be easily interpreted. It should be labeled at the axis, including the measurement and its units. It should have a descriptive title. Data should be represented clearly with easy to distinguish symbols. Now the next one is charts. Charts are the graphical representation of data in symbols like bars, lines and slices. It is an essential part of working with data, as it is a way to condense large amounts of data into an easy to understand format. Some of the essential of good charts are: it should have a theme or title. It should have a frame. It should be labeled. It should be accurate. It should be attractive using contrasting colors. I hope all of you have understood about interpreting visuals. Thank you.